Welcome. Logical and date functions. If with an or, IFRA, is blank, today, now, date diff. Introduction to logical and date functions. Welcome to the magical land of Excel, where logic meets time. Today, we are diving into logical and date functions that will make your spreadsheet smarter than your coffee machine. From decision-making with if to calculating ages with date diff, you'll soon be the time wizard of Excel. The if function with AND. The if function is like Excel's decision maker. It asks a question and acts accordingly. Add AND to the mix, and Excel checks if all your conditions are true. Example, want to give a pass only if marks in math and English are above 50? Easy is equal to if and B2, 50, C2, 50, pass, fail, dot. The if function with or. If AND is strict, or is the laid-back cousin. With or, if any one condition is true, Excel will take action. Example, if attendance is below 75% or marks are below 40, show warning. Formula is equal to if or D2, 75 E2, 40, warning, good, dot. IFRA for clean results. Errors look scary, like the Hush div 0. Monster. IFRA is like a broom, it sweeps errors under the rug and replaces them with something nicer. Example, is equal to IFRA, A to B2, oops. This way, instead of ugly errors, you get polite messages. Is blank for empty cells. Sometimes you want Excel to check if a cell is empty before doing something. Is blank is the detective here. Example, is equal to if is blank, F2, no data, F2, will tell you if a cell is empty instead of leaving you guessing. Today function. Want today's date? No need to look at your phone, Excel has it. Is equal to today gives you the current date. It updates automatically every day, no time travel required. Now function. If you also need the current time, not just the date, is equal to now, has you covered. It's like today's overachieving sibling, it gives both date and time in one shot. Date diff for age or duration. Want to know how old someone is or how long something has been running? Is equal to date diff, start date, end date, Y. Tells you the years. You can also use M for months and D for days. It's like Excel's birthday calculator. Building a leave calculation system. Here's where it gets fun, using today, date diff, and if to calculate remaining leave days. Example, is equal to if, today, end date, leave over, date diff, today, end date, D, and days left. This tells employees exactly how many days they can still chill. Finding employees nearing retirement. With date diff, we can also find employees close to retirement. Example, if retirement age is 60, use is equal to if date diff, birth date, today, Y, is equal to 58, retirement soon, active. Now HR can plan farewell parties in advance. Thank you.